How to stream on Twitch and YouTube at the same time. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets live streaming tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to multi-stream to Twitch and YouTube at the same time for free. And to do this, we're going to be using a service called Restream. They do have a completely free version that gives you unlimited streaming to two different channels at the same time, so Twitch and YouTube, but they do have paid versions that allow more features. So the first thing we need to do is simply go to restream.io and check the description. I'll have a link down there. And if you use that link and you ever upgrade in the future, you'll get a discount. So once you get to Restream and you create your account, and as you can see here, there are multiple options for live streaming. You can either use their in-browser tool, so you don't need to have any special software. You can simply live stream with your browser, and this will allow you to live stream your camera and anything on your computer, so games, stuff like that. It's very easy to set up, or you can set it up to use in OBS. Now, before we start streaming, let's scroll down to the bottom and select Edit Destinations, because we need to add Twitch and YouTube to our Restream account so that we can multi-stream to those platforms. So select Edit Destinations. Once you select that, you'll see all the different platforms that you can multi-stream to using Restream. So all you need to do is first find Twitch or YouTube, select either of those, and then you just need to go through the process of connecting Twitch and YouTube to your Restream account. So go through that process. Then I'm going to add YouTube. Once you've added Twitch and YouTube to your destinations, simply select your preferred method for live streaming. If you select Start with Studio, you'll be streaming within the browser, and it's very easy to set up. They walk you through the process entirely. So I'm going to select Setup for OBS, which is software that I use to record all my videos and when I live stream as well. So I'm going to select Setup for OBS. Once you do that, you'll be given an RTMP URL and a stream key. Copy your URL. Then we just need to go into the settings in OBS down here. Select Stream in the settings. And then when you select your service, select Custom, and then add the server URL. Then go back to Restream, and you want to copy the stream key, and then paste the stream key right here. Select OK, and then now when you select Start Streaming on OBS, you'll then see the stream show up on Restream, and then it will be multi-streamed to Twitch and YouTube at the same time. You'll be able to see the chat for both Twitch and YouTube over here in the chat section, where you can interact with them by typing messages back, and it'll be sent both to YouTube and Twitch at the same time. Once you're done streaming in OBS, simply select Stop Streaming, and it will end the stream on both Twitch and YouTube at the same time. All right, so that's how you stream on Twitch and YouTube at the same time. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Twitch or YouTube tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.